So this is a solar hot water system plant room, central heating system. Normally the centralized water heating system is possible for these accommodation buildings, hotels and all. This is one of the government accommodation building in London. Here is the plant room, which is having two numbers of storage calorifers, which is being used as a heat storage from the solar. So this is one of the major equipment which you can say for the solar water heating system, which is made by Versol. Yeah, and having the storage heat exchange calorifer and a heat exchanger, and this is a electrical backup heater, which is also made of Versol. Yeah. So here is how the system is working. The storage calorifers is connected to the solar panels. See, this is a solar hot water supply and return. We'll start from the return line. Yeah. Okay. So this water inside the heat exchanger is coming through the solar hot water return line through this pump, is circulating to the solar panel. Yeah, the solar panel, of course, it have to be on the open. So these are the solar panels. So this made of this is also made by Versol. The number of banks, solar panel. You can see the return line is connected to the bottom line, and from the top line it is going back to the circuit, going back to the storage calorifer. On that line, the hot line, there's a three-way valve, and this is an emergency cooler just to avoid safety. So you can see some view of the city here, and then this is inside the plant room. So it's coming back to the heat exchanger unit. So this is how the system is. The solar panel will heat up the water, and this is circulating through the heat storage tank through the circulation pump. Yeah. There is an emergency cooler which you see is outside, and as a safety protection there is an expansion vessel made by Aztec, it's an US company. So this means controlled by a sophisticated controller. You can see the controller here, which shows the temperature in the storage tank, and we can also see more informations like the solar temperature and the tank temperatures. Now it's, of course, it's not the summer time, so the temperature in the solar, which is T1, is lower. Yeah, and then there you go. There is an electrical backup heating system. As the temperature is lower, this backup is on, which will boost the temperature to the set point of 60 degrees Celsius. And we can see the temperature over here on the tank. Now it's here by 41 degrees Celsius when the atmospheric temperature is just 24. So, and then the hot water generated being pumped to the building and returned through a building circulation pump, going back to the unit. Now, great. The piping is done with enough safety. There's a PRV, NRV circuit. There's an NRV on the cold hot water turn to avoid the backflow. When the temperature of the storage tank will get higher, the pressure will increase. So this can cause an automatic backflow of hot water to the cold water line. They have used an NRV to control that, and of course on the cold water inlet as well there must be an NRV. Yeah, this is a hot water cold water supply line. There is an NRV to avoid that part, and there's a building booster pump for the cold water inlet. Yeah, so hopefully I guess you're clear about how this system is working. Fine, bye, thank you.